Joffrey, I got one of our guys out here. They want to know if you can make them a quart of the 802C on our mixing system. Joffrey, you think you can make that Pantone for him right now?
Oh yes, I'm gonna start it right now.
802C, and it looks like we're using yellow, UMX. We're using our mixing white, $50 a gallon. We're using our UMX dark green, and we have our ultimate yellow. Oh, you're right on. Good deal. Okay. All right, he's waiting. We'll go print a label up.
I'm just gonna do a drawdown and see if one has. Yeah, we're using 170.
Okay. Very nice. All right, looks like we got it, Jeff.
Yes.
All right, looks good. Thank you.